Craig, where do you see this beauty? This is a Buick Skylark. Incredible car. You look at the interior in this car. Look at the shape this car is in. This is another car that's better than when it was new.
These are very rare. They made 836 of these, John. I know because I restored one. And back when I restored it, they didn't make any of the interior like they do now, this waffle interior, which was very special. These are actually sort of a custom car back in the day, the way the windshield is chopped. These were very flashy cars at the time, and I think it's prettier than an Eldorado of the same era.
Oh yeah, and the big rear wheels in the back is incredible.
Yeah, it is. It's all factory cut on these Skylarks, a lot of one-off items. You think nowadays, would a factory go through all that to make 800 some cars, 836 cars? No, but back then, every year it was a different car and they wanted to make a statement, and this car made a statement. So it has the nail head, the 322, and the Dynaflow transmission, power windows, power steering, power brakes. These were equipped like a Cadillac, but a little sportier. Selling at no reserve at the April Palm Beach auction, the 18th through the 20th. This is an opportunity coming straight out of Cars of Dreams. See you there.